Let's make the omelet from the bear. It's a Sunday morning. It's raining. I'm starving. And I spent the whole night watching the bear, so what better time than now? Let's try it. I'm gonna prep my ingredients so I'm not scrambling. So let's do that. Okay, let's go. It says to wait until the butter is foamy, and then add eggs and season with pepper, and then rapidly stir and shake the pan. This is getting a little wild. I don't think I've ever made an omelet before. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my little chicken bag. Put the boursin into this, so. Okay, it's foamy, let's add the eggs. I think I did the heat too high. She was doing this swirling motion. I feel like I need to watch the video of her. Remove the pan from the heat, pour the boursin down the middle. Fold the eggs over. I don't know, I don't want the bottom to burn. I don't like a runny egg is my problem at all. And my boursin here. Fuck me. Okay, that was pretty perfect if you ask me. This looks glorious. Oh my god. Whoa.